Assalamu alaikum students, welcome to your English lesson for today. Now in today's lesson we are going to continue with the paragraph My Favorite Pet. So I would like to remind you to please get your creative writing book for today's lesson, and you will bring the piece of paper that you wrote on yesterday as well. Your key vocabulary for today's lesson are sentence, capital letter, full stop, question mark, exclamation mark, and finger space. Now I will say them one more time and I want you to say it with me, please. Sentence, capital letter, full stop, question mark, exclamation mark, and finger space. Amazing! Good job! At the end of today's lesson, you will demonstrate how to write a full sentence, and you will identify how to combine the sentences to make a paragraph. So yesterday we already started with some of our sentences. So we wrote them down and we put them together to make a paragraph. And you will do the same thing today. But you will be writing it in your creative writing book on page 69. Now let's get started. Creative writing. How to write a paragraph. Now who remembers what is a paragraph? Amazing! It's when we write sentences based on a topic and we put the sentences together to make a paragraph. Now a paragraph is kind of like a group of friends. Paragraphs are groups of sentences that share a common idea. It means that all the sentences are about one topic. So we have our topic already and we already started with it. The topic is My Favorite Pet. Don't forget, we need to follow these steps. So we will look at the picture or read the topic. We will ask ourselves the 5 W's and 1 H. We will write the sentences answering the questions, and then we will place the sentences together. Our topic for today is My Favorite Pet. Your 5 W's and 1 H, they are who, what, where, when, why, and how. Now you can say it with me. Who, what, where, when, why, and how. Amazing! So these are the questions that we asked ourselves yesterday. Now before we write our sentences, who can tell me, how do we start a sentence? Amazing! We always start with a capital letter. What do we do next? Great job! We have to leave a finger space. And last, amazing! We have to end our sentence with a full stop, a question mark, or an exclamation mark. Now you will open your creative writing book, which is your pink book, to page number 69. And on these lines, you can write down the sentences that you wrote yesterday on your piece of paper. Or if you would like, you can answer these questions here and you can put the sentences together to make your paragraph. So I will read the sentences to you and you can pause the video to answer each question on the line. And remember, always start your sentence with a capital letter. You have to leave a finger space and you will end your sentence with the correct punctuation mark. You can use a full stop, a question mark, or an exclamation mark. So the first question is, what is your favorite pet? Now these are one of the questions that you answered yesterday, so you can just write down what you wrote on your piece of paper. The second question, what's its color? So what is the color of your pet? Question 3, where does it live? And question 4, why do you like your pet? Now, a lot of these questions, we answered it yesterday on your piece of paper. So all you have to do is write it neatly in your book. Amazing work for today's lesson, my loves. I am so proud of you. Remember, these are some optional videos that you can watch, and all of the videos are only for educational purposes. Now, I will see you in the next lesson, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.